Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut for your email templates folder in the Outlook ribbon. This is incredibly useful if you frequently use email templates and want quick access to them without navigating through multiple menus every time. Let's get started and make your workflow more efficient. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure everything is fully loaded before proceeding to the next steps, as this ensures all the menu options will be available to you. Once your email has been loaded and you're ready to add the shortcut for your email templates folder in the Outlook ribbon, start by heading to your File menu. This is located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are organized. Go ahead and click on File to open up the main menu options. Once the File menu has opened, you'll see several options listed. Look towards the bottom part of your File menu and click on Options. This will open up a new window called Outlook Options, which contains all the customization settings for your application. From here, click on Customize Ribbon from the left side menu. This section allows you to add, remove, or organize commands on your Outlook ribbon to suit your specific needs. Now, under the Customize Ribbon panel, focus on the right side where your ribbons are stored. From here, click on New Group. This will create a new group that will serve as the shortcut for your email templates. Once the new group is added, you'll want to rename it for easier identification. You can call it something like Templates or Email Templates so you can quickly recognize it later. This step is important because it keeps your ribbon organized and makes the shortcut immediately recognizable. Once the new group is added, move to the left side menu where all the commands are located. From the drop-down at the top, select All Commands. This will display a comprehensive list of every available command in Outlook. From this extensive list of commands, scroll down carefully until you find the Choose Form option. Click on it to select it. Then click on Add in the middle between these two customization tabs. This action will place the Choose Form command into your newly created group. Once you've completed this, click on OK and you'll see your new menu added to the Outlook ribbon. You may need to wait a moment for the changes to apply and the interface to refresh. Once the template menu is added to your ribbon, click on it to open your Choose Form window. From the Look-in field at the top, click on the drop-down menu and select User Templates and File System. This is where your saved email templates are stored. Once you select this option, you'll be directed to the default file directory of your email templates. From this point forward, you can now use this convenient shortcut to quickly access and use your email templates directly from your local file directory whenever you need them, and there you have it. You've successfully added a quick access shortcut for your email templates folder right in your Outlook ribbon, making it incredibly easy to access your templates anytime. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.